Hi everyone, my name is Arushi Singh and I'm a senior this year at Babson College and a peer mentor. I'm about to take you behind the scenes to see the welcoming of class of 2028, so let's go see what the other peer mentors are up to. Bye!
Babson! Woo! Welcome to Babson College! Woo!
I'm currently here with Michael, who's been leading the peer mentors this whole time. Special shout out to him, he's the guy behind the scenes, and we're about to go see if we can find some more first years moving in. Hey everyone, as you can see there's a ton of excitement in the air for welcoming the class of 2028. Here on campus we have RAs, peer mentors, along with a few other student groups such as POWs, Jedis, etc. who are all working together to help the class of 2028 move in and feel at home at Babson. Stay tuned as we go and see more. How do you feel about the class of 2028 coming in?
Really good, great class. They're all really social, they're really excited. Yeah, I'm excited to see what they do.
Hey everybody, my name is Dario. I'm going to be your area coordinator for this year. Hope you have a great move-in day and we look forward to meeting everyone this year.
I think one piece of advice I could give to freshmen is definitely utilize the student success advisors. They're definitely going to put you in the right direction on the trajectory for college and really narrow down what classes you should be taking and making sure you're on track. So make sure you go to Hollister, make sure you go book those appointments with your student success advisors.
I am now at the upper fields at the resource fair where parents and students can come ask questions, find different spots on campus, and get some advice from students and staff.
Hi, we are the Center for Career Development. We advise students. We also put on events for students. And yeah, we help them further their career in any way possible.
Hi, my name is Ava. I'm the engagement coordinator for the HELB. We just finished a major renovation project with 3 new classrooms that FRME will be held in. And we also have some really cool new event spaces and a new cafe, so we hope that you'll come check it out.
Hi everyone, I'm here with my fellow peer mentor.
Hi guys, my name is Sophia.
We just wrapped up at the resource fair and now we're gonna head over to the opening celebration. See you there!
This journey is about more than academics. It's about discovering what ignites your passions.
I said, how are we feeling? For every single one of you, there's a place for you on this campus. And we're so honored and excited to get to be a part of your journey and welcoming you home.
You are the pioneers who will set the new examples of how artificial intelligence will shape the world.
Hey everyone, we've officially completed the opening ceremony. I'm now back at my dorm in Pete's getting ready for dinner at the upper fields along with Roger the Babson dog's birthday party with free ice cream. I'm excited and I will catch you there. Hi everyone, I'm here with my fellow peer mentor and PMTC, Rebecca.
Hi guys, I'm so excited to meet all of you guys. I made this Fortnite poster for group number 4. Take a look around to see all the creative posters our peer mentors made. It's so nice. We're so excited to meet you and welcome to Babson.
Welcome.
Is it like animated or it is animated? No, real animated.
We just finished our first group meetings. I have some peer mentors with me. They're gonna tell me how it's going.
Honestly, it's going pretty well. I'm excited for the second round tomorrow, and I have lots of stuff planned for them.
We're waiting for our POW workshops, getting to meet the pals, and I'm excited to get to know them more better.
Super pumped, the mentees are great, really excited.
There's some boxes in the
Anyone else?
35.
Pretty close, okay.
So, someone else want to play? What's happening?
Mason! Yeah.
Mason. Okay.
Yeah!
Hi vlog, I'm currently with two of my mentees who are going to tell you a bit about their experience.
It's been an amazing first experience so far on the Babson campus. The weather has just been amazing. It's been so easy to make connections with a bunch of people, meet new friends, and really get settled in at a fast pace.
What's up guys, my name's Jake. I'm here with the best peer mentor. Really enjoying campus, excited to be here, excited to join E-Tower. I'm running a food truck while I'm on campus, so that's a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm making it work and it's a lot of fun.
Hi vlog, I'm with my fellow peer mentors.
I'm Lacey.
I'm Garrison.
And we're about to go to Cab's Glow Night. Woo! See you there.
Yeah.
What's up everyone, my name is Corey Freeman. I'm a senior here at Babson College, and I'm the Vice President of CAP, Campus Activities Board. I love CAP so much. Look at these events we're doing. Glow Night, Bingos, Animal Day, and so much more.
Hi vlog, it's the final day of orientation. I'm here with
Anya. I'm with group 28. We're close to that finish line, so now we just gotta finish strong.
Finish strong, class of 28. Bye!
To schedule an appointment with me, visit
Damage, so that's anything ranging from your traditional ambient damage, a whole and get to know you a little bit better. So if you feel the need to or want
Babson rock. Enthusiasm. Babson rock.